What is cassia? Cassia is a spice that is produced from the inner bark of the Cinnamomum verum tree. Cassia is an aromatic bark, similar to cinnamon, but differing in strength and quality. Its bark is darker, thicker and coarser, and the corky outer bark is often left on. The outer surface is rough and grayish-brown, the inside bark is smoother and reddish-brown. Cassia trees are grown by farmers all over the world who harvest the bark of the tree before it becomes too mature. It is less costly than cinnamon and is often sold ground as cinnamon. It's native to China and Southeast Asia but can be found in other parts of the world too. The cassia tree has been used for centuries as an ingredient in traditional Chinese medicines and herbal teas. It's known to have many health benefits including helping with digestion, lowering blood pressure, preventing cancer cells from multiplying, relieving arthritis pain, reducing fever symptoms and more. Buy high-quality cassia. What are you waiting for?